Hey, I'm Mark, and this morning's project, I'm building a little side table. I'm going to use some hairpin 20-inch legs. I'm just going to put 3 of them on it. These are some wafers, about 2.5, 3-inch wafers I cut out of a hickory tree that died on my property a few years ago, and got several of them. I think this one looks the best. I pulled the bark off. I'm going to let this be the top. And to clean the edges, I'm just going to take a wire brush and get it nice and clean, and we'll put the legs on. It's a pretty simple project. Well, I got my 3 legs on there. I've got these 2. They're aimed at this one, and this one is aimed in the middle. I think that's going to look the best. And I'm just going to screw it down. And on this leg here, it's kind of rolled off. I just cut this with a chainsaw. I think I'm going to put a shim under it so the legs will be straight. Now that I got the legs attached, what I want to do is put a piece of plywood here on the bottom side that you don't see, because the cracks are so severe, and I want to keep it from splitting open through the decades. So I'm just going to take a piece of cardboard and just kind of roughly sketch that out. Go cut that out and make a piece of plywood. Well, that's it with 3 legs. It's a little tippy though. I think I'm going to have to put the 4th leg on there. Well, it definitely needed 4 legs. Now it's pretty stable. Well, I'll get my wife or daughter to figure out what kind of finish they want for it, or if they want any at all. Well, I gave them several samples to look at, and they seem to like this one the best, golden oak. This one's just a polyacrylic over it, and this one is a poly shade. I kind of like that one the best, but this is the one they chose, so that's the one we're going with. Well, next we're going to give it a clear coat. I'm using a polyacrylic. It's a water base, and I'll give it a couple of coats of this. Well, that's the finished product. It turned out good. She's happy with it. Appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you on the next one.